Hello everyone. In this part 3 of applications of derivatives, we will do some questions related to tangents and normals. So let's start with this question number 1. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve this at 0, 5. It means we have y is equals to x4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. It means dy by dx is equals to 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10. Now slope of tangent at 0, 5 at 0, 5 is m is equals to dy by dx at 0, 5. It means this become, what is this thing, minus 10 only. Therefore equation of tangent, what is the rule? Y minus y1 m into minus 10 x minus x1. x1 is 0. Here I am going to show this thing. That rule is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. It means y minus 5 is equals to minus 10x. It means 10x plus y is equals to 5. So this is the way to do this type of questions. Now question number 2. Find the equations of tangents to the curve y is equals to x cube minus 1 x minus 2. So let us suppose this is the equation number 1 at the points where the curve intersects the x-axis. Now because equation 1 intersect at x-axis, therefore y is equals to 0. Because on x-axis y is equals to 0, it means 0 is equals to x cube minus 1 x minus 2. It implies that there are two parts, either x cube minus 1 is equals to 0, x is equals to 1, either x minus 2 is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. Therefore required points are, what will be the points? 1, 0 and 2, 0. So this will be the points. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Once you will do this thing, so what will come? Dy by dx, x cube minus 1 as it is, it means 1, plus x minus 2 as it is, it means 3x square. It implies that x cube minus 1 plus 3x cube minus 6x square, it means this become 4x cube minus 6x square, and what is this? Minus 1. Now slope of tangent at, first we are taking 1, 0. It means m is equals to dy by dx at 1, 0. It means m is equals to, what this become? 4 minus 6 minus 1. It means m is equals to minus 3. Therefore equation of tangent is equals to, by which rule? Y minus y1 m into x minus x1. It means, sorry, x minus x1, y is equals to minus 3x plus 3. It means 3x plus y is equals to 3 only. Now second part, slope of tangent at, what is the slope of tangent at? Point is now 2, 0. It means m1 is equals to, same rule, it means 4 into 8 minus 6 into 4 minus 1. It means m1 is equals to 28 minus 20, sorry, this is 32 minus 25. It means this is 7. Therefore equation is equals to y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Y is equals to 7x minus 14. It means 7x minus y is equals to 14. So this is the answer. Now let's start with this question number 3. Now in this question number 3, find the equations of the normals to the curve which are perpendicular to this line. So first of all, let point on the curve be x1 y1. Now you will say, because x1 y1 lies on equation 1, it means y1 is equals to 4x1 cube minus 3x1 plus 5. Now First of all, dy by dx. It means differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. It means what this become 12x square minus 3. Now slope of normal at x1 y1. What is the rule? Let us suppose this is n minus 1 upon dy by dx at x1 y1. It means this become minus 1 upon, this is 12x1 square minus 3. Now slope of line, what is the line? Y is equals to 9x plus 5 is, let us suppose this is m1 is equals to, y is equals to mx plus c. It means m1 is equals to 9. Now according to the question, this slope of normal and slope of line are perpendicular to each other. It means m into m1 is equals to minus 1. What is m9? M is this one, minus 1 upon 12 into x1 square, and this is, sorry, this will remain 1 only, because yes, this is minus 1. Now minus 3 this part, and this is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 cancel out. It means, it implies that 12x1 square minus 3 is equals to, what is this? 9 only. It means 12x1 square is equals to 12. It means x1 square is equals to 1. It means x1 is equals to plus minus 1. Now there are two cases. If x1 is equals to 1, then y1 is equals to 4 minus 3 plus 5. It means 6. Now therefore equation of normal is equals to y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 upon 12 minus 3 and x minus x1. It means this is 1. 12 minus 3, 9. It means 9y minus 54 is equals to minus x, and this is 1. It means x plus 9y is equals to 55. Now second case, if x1 is equals to minus 1, it means y1 is equals to minus 4, and this is plus 3 and plus 5. It means this become 4. Therefore equation of normal is equals to y minus 4 is equals to minus 1 upon, this become minus 1 whole square as it is. It means 1 only. It means this is 9 and this is x plus 1. It means 9y minus 36 minus x minus 1. So it means x plus 9y is equals to, what is this? 35. So this is the another equation. Now let's start with this question number 4th. Now in this fourth question, find the equation of the normal to the curve which passes through the point 1, 2. So let us suppose this is the figure and P is any point on the curve and the point of contact of the normal to the curve, and normal is passing through the point 1, 2. Now because Px1 y1 lies on equation 1, therefore 4y1 is equals to x1 square. This is the equation number 2. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. What this become? 4 dy by dx is equals to 2x. It means slope of normal. What is the slope of normal? Let us suppose this is m is equals to minus 1 upon dy by dx at x1 y1. It means m is equals to minus 1 upon, now look at this thing, dy by dx. What we have? 2x upon 4. It means 2x upon 4 means 2x. This is 2 only. 2 to the 4. It means this become x1 and this is 2 only. Because this is in denominator, so a slope is this thing. Now equation of normal. Rule is same. Equation of normal is equals to y minus y1 is equals to m and x minus x1. So we have this part. Now you will say, because 1 2 lies on normal, 1 2 lies on normal, because normal is passing through this point only, 1 2. So substitute here 1 minus, now look at this thing, 1 minus y1, sorry 1 2, it means 2 minus y1 is equals to minus 2 upon x1, and what is this, what is x, 1 minus x1. So this is the another part. Let us suppose this is the equation number third, or if you want to simplify here, you can simplify here only. Now from equation second and third, second and equation third, we will do the elimination process. Now in elimination process, what we are observing, we have y1 is equals to x1 square upon 4. It means substitute the value, it means x1 square upon 4 is equals to minus 2 x1, and what is this, 1 minus x1. Now cross multiplication, it means what this become, 2x1 minus, first of all take LCM, it means 4, 8 minus, what is this, x1 square, and here also minus 2 upon x1, and what is this, 1 minus x1. Now cross multiplication, it means 8x1 minus x1 cube is equals to minus 8, and what is this, minus 8 and plus 8x1. 8x1 8x1 cancel out, it means x1 cube is equals to 8, it means x1 is equals to 2. When x1 is equals to 2, from equation 2, 4y1 is equals to 4, it means y1 is equals to 1. Therefore from equation third, equation of normal is equals to 2 minus 1 minus 2, and what is this, x1 2, 1 minus, sorry, in this part we will not put, we will put here. In this part from equation third, let it be, we have this part, it means equation of normal means y minus y1 minus 2 upon 2, and x minus, what is x1 here, 2. So this is 2. Now cross multiplication, 2y minus 2 is equals to minus 2x, or you can cancel out here. So y minus y1, y minus 1 is equals to minus 1, x minus 2, it means y minus 1 minus x plus 2, it means x plus y is equals to 3. So this is the equation of normal. Now you have to give the answer of this question in the comment box. Thanks and God bless you.